Hi, I'm Heather McCrae, Operations Section Chief with Team 10 on the Creek Fire with an update. And we did receive rain and snow in the higher elevations yesterday. We kept most of the folks out of the field as the conditions were just not great for traveling or operating. So for today, we are re-engaging and sending folks out where we can get to. Our operations are really day-to-day as far as getting equipment out there and continuing the work, but it all depends on the conditions out on the ground and where we can get resources safely. There was quite a bit of ice on the road yesterday and again this morning. So we're just staying out of those areas for a few days until the conditions do improve. Over the next couple of days, we are starting to transition out as far as the team goes, and we're giving the fire back to the forest. We've got forest resources coming in today and tomorrow to start that transition and see the work that will continue over the next several weeks. We are going to go on a flight again today to show the incoming incident commander what those conditions are like. The last time we flew, there was very little heat still on the northern side of the fire, just a few down logs that were burning with snow around them. So we'll give them a good tour today, and over the next couple days continue with that transition. It's been great being here on the Creek Fire, and Team 10 will remain for a couple more days. Thank you.